How to suspend an AT&T line temporarily. To temporarily suspend your AT&T line, first of all, go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice on your device. Then tap on this address bar or the search bar, then proceed to type ATT suspend wireless service. Now, once you find the official site over here, you simply have to tap on it, then log into your account. Once you have logged into your account, all you have to do is now open the services tab in the website and pick the specific phone number you want to put on hold. Tap manage and then select the suspend wireless service option under the device configuration tools. Then scroll through the down menu and select your exact reason for the temporarily hold and simply tap suspend. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.